Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arifa Jat Shining Star. In today's video, I will share important content for ninth grade journal science. This includes important questions, important MCQs, and important long questions that are very helpful for exam preparation. These are academic notes that many students purchase, and I am sharing with you to make sure study easier and more effective. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, any queries, feel free to ask in the comments. I will try my best to answer you through my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.